Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Android App Development, Java vs Python. Introduction. Android app development offers a diverse set of tools and programming languages, making it possible for developers to choose the one that suits their preferences and project requirements. Two popular languages for Android development are Java and Python. In this tutorial, we will explore the pros and cons of using Java and Python for Android app development, along with code examples to help you get started. Java for Android app development. Java has been the traditional language for Android app development, and it offers several advantages. Performance. Java is a statically typed language, and it is well optimized for Android devices, resulting in good performance. Native support. Android's official development environment, Android Studio, uses Java as its primary language, which means you can access a wealth of resources and documentation. Community. Java has a large and active Android developer community, so you'll find plenty of tutorials and forums to help you along the way. Compatibility. Java-based Android apps are compatible with a wide range of Android devices, ensuring a broad user base. Example: Java for Android. Let's create a simple Hello World app in Java using Android Studio. This app will display a text message on the screen. Python for Android app development. Python, through libraries like Kivy and Beware's Toga, offers an alternative for Android development. Rapid development. Python is known for its simplicity and readability, allowing for faster development, especially for prototyping. Cross-platform. Python-based apps can be deployed on multiple platforms, including Android, iOS, and desktop, reducing the need to write code for each platform separately. Community. While smaller than Java's community, Python's community is growing, and resources for Android development are readily available. Versatility. Python can be used for more than just mobile app development, making it a versatile language for various projects. Example: Python for Android, using Kivy. Let's create a simple Hello World app in Python using the Kivy framework. This app will display a text message on the screen. Conclusion. Both Java and Python have their merits for Android app development. Java is the standard choice for performance and compatibility, while Python offers rapid development and cross-platform capabilities. The choice between the two depends on your specific project requirements and personal preferences. You can even combine them in the same project, leveraging the strengths of each language as needed. Experiment, learn, and enjoy the journey of Android app development. ChatGPT.